Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the energy saving mode in the Maze Machina application. But first I just wanted to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And here you can see the energy save button. So just click on it once, and if it says it's on, then this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.